it is time to unbox some new arrivals. I have been tracking this package because I knew it was going to be such a good one. So I was tracking it. I was like, all right, today is the day. There are some great pieces in this box, so I'm really excited to show you. So let's get the show on the road. Let me put my Diet Coke down first. Okay. And I really hope that Diet Coke didn't get all over me. Okay, so we have for a little while now carried and absolutely loved Pistola jeans and all of their collection pieces. So their tops, their rompers, their dresses, they have been some of our best sellers, and you guys absolutely love them. You love the fit, you love the feel of them, and we have some really great pieces in this box that are going to be so perfect for spring break, for just like every day out and about. All right, let me see. I think I forgot to keep cutting the box open. I just got so excited. All right, yeah, really cute shorts. Every year we get their shorts in, and they are so great. They're comfortable. The washes are just like really easy to wear. They're easy to style. So the first one, let's see what we have in here. Let me angle this down a little more so that you guys can see it better. Let's turn this on. Okay. All right. The first pair that we have for you, this is the Sage in French Riviera. These are a tried and true, super cute with that oversized bottom hem. So it's just a little bit of a bigger bottom hem than we're used to, or that we see a lot on a jean short. They are a really nice rise, really flattering, and a really, really soft denim. So just like that perfectly lived in short. These are going to be so cute. Okay, so those are all the Sage. Jean. Let's get some more. Let's do more shorts. We'll do all the shorts first. Jean, and some good jeans for you too. Look at the red. Oh my gosh, we will get there. I promise. Really great red pieces. Okay, shorts. Found more. These are the Kennedy. So this is your cut off, super comfy, kind of a boyfriend-y short. This is the Kennedy in Central Vintage. So just a really classic blue jean short. So if you love a cutoff, these are going to be that perfect cutoff short just to live in all summer long. Then we have, let's see, that's the Kennedy, more Kennedy. Some really cute red jeans in here. Make sure you stick around for those because they are really freaking cute. Okay. Let's see, I know we have one more in here. This is the Kaylee, and the Kaylee is in folder. And this is a longer pair. So we're seeing a lot of those longer denim shorts for spring and summer. So this is the Kaylee. So a little bit longer. So they're not going to be as short as like a cutoff, but they are a cutoff short. And they look really, really cute, especially with, move that up a little. Especially with, you can do a belt. You can do a cute white tee and a great little ballet flat, do a sneaker, do a sandal. The longer jean short is definitely one style that you are going to want to keep an eye out for because they're really a flattering fit for so many different body types, and they're not really like too short where you're going to feel uncomfortable, possibly in some situations. So definitely keep an eye out for that length of short. It's above the knee. It's kind of like a mid-range length. So that's the Kaylee. And I lost one of my lights. My light always turns off. It's so annoying. Okay, let's move this. There we go. All right, let's get to the rest. So I have a great pair of red denim and a really, really cute red sweater that go perfectly together. I actually saw the style together and I saw it styled separately also. So the red jean with a pink top looked so adorable too. Kind of Valentine's-y. I know we're past that, but for spring, that like bright pop of color is just so great. So this is the mica sweater in ruby, and it's a half sleeve sweater. So it's not going to be too heavy. That half sleeve is going to be really nice for those spring days. And then especially when you pair this back to a jean or one of the jean shorts, you can really dress that up too. And then this jean, this is called the Penny. And if you know me, you know I love my Penny, my little girl. And this jean is so flattering because what they did with this is it's really cute because they did not put a front pocket on it. So there is no bulk. So no matter what, you're always going to get a little bit of bulk with a front pocket. This one is super slimming and has a really nice kind of medium width leg cut off bottom. So you can always cut those if you want them shorter. And they are really, really flattering on. Love that no front pocket. That also kind of means that you can dress them up even a little more than you typically would a regular jean. So that bright pop of red is just so pretty. I mean, look how cute this is together. Isn't that adorable? I have to try this on. And I definitely got one for myself because I just knew that I would love this together. So adorable. But yeah, wear the red jean with a white top. You can wear it with a black top. You can do cream. We're seeing so much cream out there. And then same with the red sweater. Throw it on with a pair of cream jeans, pair of blue jeans, the shorts like I was saying. I mean, you can really get so much wear out of this, or even put a white collared button down under and give it like a little bit of a flare with that button down. Let's see. We have some jeans here also. Let's do those next. Okay, so this is the Krista jean. And these will all be on the website right after the live. I just have to go and make them live on the website. So this is the Krista jean. It's a high-rise slim boot cut. So it's just the perfect, I mean, think of a classic boot cut jean. This is them. They have a little bit of stretch in them. They are comfortable. The wash is just so perfect for this time of year and going into summer. So great. Just a nice classic boot cut jean and so incredibly flattering too. I mean, that's the one really nice thing about Pistola is their jeans are so flattering on. I mean, they really have, they've done such a good job with the fits. Okay, this is the Kinsley. We have customers that go crazy for the Kinsley because they are a true flare jean. So that, like, think of that like awesome, like kind of fun 70s vibe jean. Look at that flare. How cute is that? And they definitely have a little stretch in them. They are really flattering too. I can definitely call out a few customers right now that I know for sure will go nuts for them. So if you're a flare jean girl, you are going to love these, especially because they have that great wider cuff at the bottom, or it's not a cuff. They have a wider hem at the bottom. But if you are a short girl and you love a flare jean, do not be afraid to go and hem them and make them fit you perfectly. That is the one beauty of the beauty of having a great seamstress or a place that you feel comfortable taking your jeans, or we are more than happy to make some suggestions, because I will be completely honest. So many of us here are short and we do need our jeans hemmed. So if you need a great seamstress, I am here for you. I will tell you exactly where we take our items. But what you can do is do a little bit of a tricky hem. So you take this wide cuff bottom or this wide hem bottom, and they will take the length up and put the bottom hem back on. So you don't lose the cool factor of these jeans. So that's the Kinsley. All right, and I am pretty sure we have one more pair in here. Pistola we did. Kinsley. Let's see. I wonder if that's it. Let me look at my invoice real quick to make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, so we have the 3 jeans. Oh, you know what? I think that might be it for the jeans. We got the 2 different styles, the 3 shorts, the sweater, and the red jean. I must have been thinking of the red jean. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish unboxing these. I'm going to do a little try on also of the ones that I can fit in. The Kinsley I absolutely love, but they are going to be a little too long on me. But the others I could definitely try on for you and show you exactly what they look like. So watch out for stories later today. I will be posting those later. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi.